The Biocare provider team has formed in June 2011 and currently consists of 8 members, whose experience ranges from the ICT to the pharmaceutical and clinical research fields. Biocare's mission is to employ new ICTs at the service of patients and elderly citizens, in order to foster good communication with their physician and family members, in support to home care and clinical research. Biocare's primary focus is on pharmacological treatment, to offer therapy prescription and management solutions that respond to specific needs linked to the therapy itself, to the disease, and also to patient characteristics, in compliance with safety standards and for the management of clinical data. The pain point we are addressing is medication non-adherence, a still open issue that each year accounts for an estimated $290 billion in avoidable medical spending in the USA alone. Medication non-adherence involves 50% of chronic patients with severe health risks. Indeed, non- and poor adherence to medications cause each year, only USA, 125,000 deaths, therefore becoming the fourth cause leading to death. In addition, non-adherence and above all non-long-term persistence account for hundreds of billions of dollars of revenue lost by pharma companies worldwide. To address this problem, we have developed Dr. Dream. Dr. Dream comes from the desire to bring the most advanced technologies to serve the elderly and chronic patients who have poor or non-adherence or persistence to pharmacological therapies, while involving also doctors, caregivers, and family members. Indeed, it has been conceived to enable a bidirectional communication between all these healthcare providers and the patient. De-identified data directly collected by the real-world users are unique and can be used for evidence-based clinical and marketing research. Dr. Dream is much more than a simple app reminder. A highly qualified medical scientific background and user-friendly interfaces allow Dr. Dream to provide patients and doctors with effective solutions tailored on their needs, habits, and skills. The framework architectures adopts a software-as-a-service distributed model to spread the access to our services to all kinds of devices, in particular to mobile ones. Smartphone and tablet applications for iOS and Android have been developed in order to activate all the possible functionalities achievable with our solution and to guarantee an optimal user experience. In addition, we are currently developing an innovative embedded device, having the same feature of the application for smartphone, but tailored to the needs of elderly and people with functional limitations. And now let's talk about market opportunities. The R&D units of global pharmaceutical industry and its meticulous planning to ensure the safety and efficacy of new drugs consist of approximately $110 billion currently spent each year, and of these 60% is devoted to clinical trials. In addition, pharmaceutical industry's annual digital spend to support the launch of new drugs is over $1 million. By 2016, though, spending is destined to raise up to $1.33 billion. Our business model is mainly B2B, directed to pharma companies and/or market research companies operating in the healthcare field, so that they can financially support the Dr. Dream project while achieving data related to drug consumption and abuse, useful for clinical and marketing researches. So don't forget this name, Dr. Dream, the simple solution to complex therapies.